Ever clicked a table of contents link that jumps you directly to a section? That's a bookmark link in action. Let's break down exactly how they work. A bookmark link uses an anchor tag with an href attribute that starts with a hash symbol. The hash is followed by an ID value. For example, href equals hash section 2. This tells the browser where to jump when the link is clicked. To create the destination, you add an id attribute to any HTML element. This could be a heading, a div, or any other tag. The id value must match what comes after the hash in your link. So if your link says hash section 2, you need an element with id equals section 2. When a user clicks the bookmark link, the browser searches the page for an element with that matching ID, then smoothly scrolls to that element. The key thing is both the link and target must be on the same page. That's why it's called an internal or in-page navigation link. Bookmark links are perfect for table of contents navigation, back-to-top buttons, skip-to-content links for accessibility, and FAQ sections where questions link to answers. They make long pages much more user-friendly. Remember, bookmark links use anchor tags with hash syntax pointing to element IDs for smooth in-page navigation. Practice this in your next HTML project, and you'll nail this interview question. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.